Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Amit Kumar. Today I will tell you how can you make professional logo of your channel by using picsart app. So let me start this video. I open picsart app, touch on plus sign, scroll up, select any background color. I select green. Here I will make logo of my channel. From down you have to select draw icon and select pencil. You can select here any color. I select blue. You can select any shape. I select first shape. You can select here size and opacity. When color changes, touch at the corner, again select the same color from which you want to draw logo. Select text from below. Now I will write name of my channel, tag with expression. Let me adjust it. I will adjust it at the top of the I select color. From here I can select any color. Sorry, I can't select green color because background color is green. I will select blue color. Click on tools. Here you can select any shape. I will select circle. Let me adjust it. Now I will add border to this logo. I select any color here. Let me increase size. It has been saved to my stickers. Now I will save it in gallery. Click on save. Now it is saved to my gallery. In this way you can make logo of your channel from this app. Thank you, friends.